Hi, my name is Miroslav Bajtos, and today I want to talk about retrievals. Let's face it, the future of Filecoin depends on retrievals. You can have the best persistent solution in the world, but nobody will buy it if they cannot get their data back. It's like having a backup with no restore. Now, the challenge is about incentivize. How can we incentivize good behavior? And the problem is that the retrieval happens between a client and a provider, and there is no witness observing what exactly happened and what to reward. The clients are incentivized to report no retrievals at all, so that they don't have to pay. The providers are incentivized to report more traffic than actually happened, so that they can earn more. And a protocol trying to incentivize good behavior doesn't have a way how to tell where's the truth. This has been studied in academia, and the result is, well, it's not possible for two parties to perform a fair exchange, to exchange your money for the content you want, without a trusted party. During the years, there were various attempts trying to work around this result. First of them was Magma state channels, where they split one big all or nothing interaction into many smaller microtransactions. The problem was they were expecting the retrieval client to pay for the retrieval, which is not what usually happens. It's usually the website owner who subsidizes the infrastructure and clients retrieve for free. Then Filecoin Saturn was building decentralized CDN, and then they ran into trust issues because permissionless CDN nodes were misreporting usage and performance so that they can earn a bigger slice of the rewards pool. And finally, there is Spark, which is performing synthetic retrieval checks, verifying whether content can be retrieved from SPs. And the problem is that synthetic traffic is not the same as the real user traffic. At the best, we could get 26 retrieval success rate and time to first byte more than half a second, which is not good enough. So clearly, we need to revisit how we think about this whole retrieval problem. And coming back to the impossibility result, what happens if there was a trusted party? What would change? And it turns out this changes a lot, and that's how Filecoin Beam was born. Filecoin Beam is a trusted middleman handling all retrieval requests on behalf of the client, and this gives us visibility into the retrievals. Now we have a trusted witness who can tell us what exactly happens. Filecoin Beam can measure performance of retrievals and can report service level indicators like time to first byte and retrieval success rate, so that we can rank storage providers based on the quality of service they provide. We can measure how much egress was consumed by retrieval client so that we can charge customers for this retrieval service, and then use the proceedings from that to compensate storage providers for their egress they expedited. And finally, there is also something for retrieval clients who can get a better retrieval performance, because Filecoin Beam is a content delivery network that's caching content all around the world. But this is just the first step, a way how to lay the foundation to make incentivized retrieval happen. Next, we want to transform retrievals from a liability into opportunities. And the first step is to implement pay-to-access scheme, where payments are not handled out of band of retrievals, but each retrieval request is coupled with a micropayment. For example, there is the emerging X402 protocol, which allows scrapers and AI agents to pay for access. And in this world, we can charge not only for the retrieval service for the egress consumed, but we can also charge an extra fee and then send this fee to content producers to reward them for creating valuable datasets. In a nutshell, our vision is to build a world where storage providers are rewarded for serving retrievals, content creators earn royalties for the datasets they produce, retrievals just work for everyone, and Filecoin becomes an attractive storage offering that people love to use. We are currently in public preview, launching at LabPeak next month. You can follow us on Twitter, and remember, the future of Filecoin depends on retrievals.